Now, this is a sensor. So this sensor, the geotech sensor, is made from very good material to withstand harsh conditions because it's fully embedded in the concrete. We work with working with them since 2023. The target is to help our contractors understand how their concrete behaves through targeting certain mixes. It's very easy to install this one. So you've got the sensor. The first thing to do is to activate it. So you've got 3 times it's beeping, and then with your phone, you're tagging the sensor through the queue, and then you label your sensor with the section you're putting it. So you want to record the mix that you need. After that, you just put the sensor on the you strap it, and you're basically done. And the only thing you need to do is to secure this cable. This is your temperature mode, and it needs to be this way. So this goes fully in the concrete. And that was the installation process. Now, the first tool you have after you've installed the sensor is to use your app. So the application is very easy to download from the App Store or the Play Store. It's easy to tag the sensor. We all use QR codes everywhere now, in pubs and restaurants, etc. So basically you tag it, and you can label it and where you're using it for each section or a project, and you can have access to it instantly. Now, the sensors are wireless and wire-free, and the signal range is up to 12 meters. You don't need any wires, it's independent. Now, when you have this app, you can have access to the data the sensor collects from your concrete every 15 minutes. It monitors your strength and your temperature every 15 minutes for about 2 months, and the battery lasts up to 4 months. So an interesting feature of this application is that it has, you can set a threshold. For example, like all of us, you're using a mix, and you need to understand how much strength you get up to a point. If you're interested in the strength of your concrete and you have a time frame, you can set a threshold, and that'll be a day or 2 days, and then you'll get a notification. You don't have to check your app every 15 minutes. So that's an interesting feature. So the second tool you have when you're using this system, the SmartRock system, the 360 dashboard. Now, through this dashboard, you have to have an account with the geotech company and us. We can give you, if we're doing the calibration for you, we can give you the calibration data. Also, you can monitor multiple projects. If you're using sensors in multiple projects, you can add team members to have access to those data. You can report of those data. The data you receive are, again, strength, temperature, maturity, and also it has artificial intelligence. It's embedded in the 360 dashboard. It's basically a product management tool. It has advanced data analysis capabilities, so you can monitor your mixes. And also, it monitors the status of the different projects, and you have a detailed insight on the temperature and the strength of your concrete, and that's all we want. I've added some case studies. So we've used the SmartRock system on Heathrow Airport. The aim was to monitor the strength gain of quality concrete needed to upgrade one of the taxiways. So time was of essence. I believe the contractor saved about 7 days, so they managed to deliver the project 7 days earlier. We had some feedback from the customer. The system has the potential for taxiways to be handled earlier, as we all wanted, and also can provide the confidence to use concrete with higher cement, like lower carbon emissions, it has higher GGBS levels. So that's one thing. The second case study is for a King's Cross residential development. Again, the use of the system helped increase the speed of construction and reduce the carbon emissions. So those are the two case studies. So what solutions does SmartRock gives to our contractors and our customers? You can monitor the strength and the temperature of your concrete through this technology. No testing, no using companies to make tube tests if they're reliable or not. You have access to all your data through your phone or your laptop. You can start your formwork on time, or maybe sometimes earlier than that. It saves you time. Finish project on time or earlier than that. That's the whole point of it. Optimize your mix. Once you start using the system and you understand how the concrete behaves, then maybe next time you don't have to over-design a mix, so you can feel confident and comfortable. And get the information you need when you need it. Basically, decision making with low risk as possible. And that was me. Thank you very much.